Here we are. Thursday, getting it in, keeping it herbal. Good photo shoots.
What we do. Sure.
Doctor, what pound when you can pass? Nice day. Oh yeah, work it. Classic. I like taking photos of photo shoots.
I did school those.
They're good. They're funny.
I heard you say that. That's what you're doing. Shoot on shoot.
Well, when people have these premium cameras, you should have photo shoots. You should.
Yeah.
It does it justice.
I mean, what these things can do now compared to even
Right.
gelatin
She's
and
got
silver.
classic photos for life now.
No,
The Venice Beach modeling shoot.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, I gotta send you a classic video me and my buddies made way back when. The Venice Beach flex off. We came out here, we had a big flex off.
Nice,
And then my buddy made a good music video with all the pictures.
Oh,
It's pretty cool, yeah. We're about due to have another one. Maybe we'll wait till it's 20, the 20th year anniversary. We'll do it, we'll run it back and we'll see if we can look better.
Nice.
We'll get all the homies in there. Venice Beach flex off. Those were the days. I think that was 08. That was 08.